We'll call this get ingredients. From this method, I return this ingredients. I think we're ready to clean up our object instantiation and output and move it out of our class file. So let's remove everything from this file. We'll select all and cut, and then we'll create a new file. We'll call it cookbook.php. We can paste this code into cookbook.php. At the beginning of the file, we need to open our PHP, and then we need to include recipes.php. But we also need to add the folder classes. Great, let's save these files. Now in our console, we run php cookbook.php. And great, we return the same output. Let's clean up this output and then add some ingredients to recipe 1. Now let's loop through our ingredients after we get the title. We'll set each of our ingredients to an array called ing for ingredient. Then we can echo out a new line for each item. Then we'll call the amount, like 2. And then our measurement, but we also want a space in between. So 2 cups. And then we want the item. Again, another space. Great, let's run our code. We see my first recipe, 1 egg, 2 cup flour.
Great job! That was quite a few pieces to put together, but you should have a pretty good idea of the usefulness of getters and setters now. We have the most complicated property out of the way, so we're ready to breeze through the rest of these properties in the next video.